In this video, you will learn one of the most effective 1-minute scalping strategy available free on TradingView. The first thing we're gonna do is let's go to Indicators tab and search for Donchian ribbon, and you will see indicator from LuxAlgo. Click that your chart. You will see green and the red in the bottom of your chart, and the meaning is very simple. It's self-explanatory. When you see green, it's a bullish signal. When you see red, it's a bearish signal. We will use this indicator as a confirmation, and now we will need a signal indicator to use in our scalping strategy. Let's go to Indicators tab one more time and search in Coral, and you will see Coral trend indicator. This is from Lazy Bear. This is highly favorited indicator. Click that your chart, and now what I want you to do now is let's go to settings for the Donchian trend ribbon and set your channel period to 20, and now let's go to Coral. You will see that the smoothing period will be 21 and the constantly is 0.4. If you done that, you are good to go. Just hit the OK button. Basically, these are the default settings. We are not changing anything. We are not doing anything. Now we will switch to 1 minute and we will be trading Nasdaq futures. But the good thing is you can use this strategy on any time frame and any type of market. So this Coral trend indicator is also very self-explanatory. When you see the red dots over here, it means a bearish price action going on. When you see the bullish, it's a bullish price action going on. So if you want to double confirm these signals and all these signals, you can wait for candle closure. For example, when you get the red, you can wait a candle closure below this line to confirm. So it has a inside a double confirmation, and you will go down and confirm with the Donchian trend ribbon. If you don't understand it now, don't worry. Now we will trade live. Let's roll the market to get a new signal. We are trading Nasdaq futures. We are waiting for next signal. So we got a green here, right? And we got a green here. We don't take a long. Why? Because we need to confirm with the Donchian trend ribbon here. It is a highly accurate confirmation indicator in my opinion, and you can see in all my videos, and you can see in some of my greatest strategies has a Donchian trend ribbon. So let's roll the market. We need to confirm with the Donchian trend ribbon, right? You can see that we got closure above this line over here, and we got green from the Donchian trend ribbon, and everything looks perfect. 3 rule is checked. All you need to do is just initiate your long position. I will go with the 20 micro contracts here. Get ready to take your trading to the next level. I have passed lot of challenge account easy like 3 to 1 with LuxAlgo Premium. These indicators are here to guide you in the darkness. You can use LuxAlgo indicators on any market you want. LuxAlgo has 3 different trading indicators: signals and overlays, price action concepts, and oscillator metrics. The great thing is they all have their own backtesting system. Click the link in the description to claim your discount now. And I want to take my profit when the recent highs taken out fully, and I want to take a partial when these recent highs taken out. So this is the strategy. I want to put my stop loss to the recent support line here. If the price goes below it, I'm not interested with this position. So let's roll the market to see if we get hit or miss. The price is ticking. Now it's price heading higher. What we will do now is we will take a 10 contract off here, right? So I'm taking off 10 contract here. So $400 has been secured. Now we will trade our stop loss and we will put it on the break even. So let's roll the market to see if we can get the full TP over here, and you can see that we got a red from the Coral trend here, but the Donchian is still green. So since we are in profit and there is no risk, I highly suggest you run this kind of positions because there is nothing to lose, right? And what you can do is, if you feel FOMO or something like that, you can get partials when this kind of recent highs, equal highs has been reached. So let's say it reached here, you can just take off a 5 contract here, right? So it's a half of it, so you will left with 5, and what you can do is you can trail your stop to your recent partial point. So it's basically like the best risk management ever, right? So we are trailing and we are watching out the price here, and boom, we got the full TP, and in total we make $1,500 here, and this is live market from yesterday. I'm not cherry picking, right? So let's roll market and let's see if we get the next signal here. As you can see that we got started to getting reds here, and but the Donchian trend ribbon didn't confirm until this bar closed. And now what we're gonna do now is we will initiate our short position here, and we are targeting this low over here, and we will be putting our stop loss to recent support line, and you can target even the 9:30 market opening price over here. It's very easy strategy, it's highly profitable. So let's initiate again a 20 micro contracts here, and we will be taking full TP here, and we can take partials on the way. Like always, we are putting our stop loss just above this candle, and let's see if we get the full TP or not. And as you can see that it just smashed our target, and now in total we made $4,800 in just 2 hours of trading with this perfect indicator. And what is great thing about this indicator is you will not be missing any trend happening on the market. And as you see here that it is giving you the green, and the Donchian is confirming you. If one of them returns to red, you will be safe. Why? Because until the Donchian returns to red, you will be holding on to your position, because it has a great features inside of it, and it will highly accurate when you're trading on the trending market. So that was all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If so, please consider watching my videos here, and until the next time, see you soon.
From the city to the beach, you plan the nights in reach. Trading stocks, making moves. I'm the boss at 3, 2, 1. Got the hustle in my blood.